Hello everyone, Dr. Carlo here with Dr. Those that know me, follow my channel and stuff, um, have missed me. I haven't been posted not a lot. So I felt like, hey, it's Christmas Eve. ER's pretty slow. Only one patient up in the board to be seen, and he's still in the waiting room, so we're good. If you watch all my videos, you notice the first thing is the beard. So yeah, I decided to grow one for trying it out. The wife likes it, so I'm keeping it for a little bit. And I haven't posted a lot. And hey, Cheryl and people joining. Yeah, beard. Yeah, I know. So I wanted to just let you know what was going on. Anyway, I want to give you guys an update. As you know, I've gone through a lot this past year. Number one, I'm no longer the director of the ER. That kind of got me sour. Number two, the whole YouTube thing going up and down and demonetization, monetization, videos being flagged, and people being trolls and whatever. And it's just really got me fed up for a little bit, and I kind of backed off from any new updates. I felt like I was starting to do too many of the just abscess videos, and that's not what I meant to do. I want to do education. I want to do good content. I just don't want to post stuff just to post stuff. So I just had to let it go for a little bit, get my bearings, get my mojo back on or whatever. So that's why you guys haven't seen much action in my channel lately. It keeps going down and up, and so anyway, the up and downs of my career, and number two, at home. You guys know about my wife and the sickness, and it's really hard at home. The way the encephalitis affected her brain, and she has like no sensors, and she says things that are very insulting and demeaning, and a lot of work at home. So I don't have the energy and stuff like that to get on this again and to do more things, because I'm busy at home. I'm trying to take care of the family. So hey guys, man, 122 people viewing this. Thank you so much. I mean, I appreciate you guys. But anyway, Merry Christmas. It's 10:30 at night where I'm working at, and only a couple hours it'll be Christmas. I gotta get home and wrap up the presents, bring them up, because again, the wife doesn't feel like doing it. She's got the kids, so she's gonna put them to bed, and I gotta do all that once I get home tonight. And then I gotta wake up and then do, hey, thank you for the kudos on my daughter singing. She is amazing. Blessings to everybody. I work tomorrow, so I'll go home like at 1 a.m. I'll put all the presents, go to bed by 2:30. Have to get up when the kids get up. Stay up a little bit till about lunchtime, I guess. Try to sleep a couple more hours and then come back to work. And then when I'm done tomorrow at 2 a.m., I get on the car and drive to Pennsylvania. So I'm going to see my wife's family, make sure she gets Christmas with her family, and she enjoys that time, and we'll see snow and maybe go tubing or whatever, have some activity, see Star Wars. We haven't seen that. Have some fun. So Caitlin, thank you so much. Thank you so much for everybody who loves the channel, who's supportive, who watch my videos and everything. And stick with it. I mean, I'll get back to it. It's just I have to get back to it. I have to get my mojo back on. I gotta find a good video, good something to talk about, and not just post videos for the sake of posting videos. So Tammy, I'll be careful. My wife will be doing some of the driving initially, since she can't sleep at night anyway, and I'll just let her go. And that's it. Merry Christmas to everybody. Enjoy the 2 videos of the songs of my daughter singing. And I thought, this channel is all not just about medicine, but also my life and what I go through and stuff. Thank you for the prayers. Thank you for the comments about my wife and what she goes through and what I go through dealing with someone with now no filter and just says whatever comes to her mind. And sometimes can be pretty insulting, pretty difficult, day in and day out. And you never know what you're going to get at home. If she's going to be happy, upset, or if the kids did something to set her off. And it's just really tough. So that's why, if you were wondering. So anyway, Jocelyn, Harrisburg, we'll be around there. I guess they're getting some snow over there. That'll be awesome. We'll be driving through Virginia, Squirrel Vision, so we'll be okay. Merry Christmas, Lulu, and all right, checking out. Bye-bye, everybody.
Hey folks, The old notion that we use only 10% of our brains is a myth. It turns out that we use virtually every part of the brain, and that many parts of the brain are active almost all the time. The brain uses 20% of our body's energy, and in today's fast-paced, junk food-filled world, it's hard to keep the brain properly fueled and nourished. That's why we're bringing you Brain Gains. It gives you essential nutrients and helps with memory and focus. It's an advanced multivitamin designed to support healthy cognitive ability. Check out the Amazon link below and try Brain Gains for yourself. It will boost your mental energy, clear out the fog, and help your memory.